Yes guys, welcome to this other video. So in this video I just want to show you how you can make a compost manure from grass. This is our grass here. This is our hole. This hole is 1 meter deep. The length, the length is 1 meter 30, then the width is 1 meter, then the width is 1 meter. Then here, this is our grass. We are going to put this grass inside this hole and it will get full. This is how we make our compost manure. There is how we make compost manure from grass. We are going to make sure that this hole will be full. We have to put all this grass. The grass has to fill this hole. Then we have to allow the grass inside the hole so that the grass will decay, and we are going to use it in our farm, in our plantation. We are going to use this compost manure. This is what we call compost manure from grass. So this is how we are going to do it. So this is our grass. We have to fill this hole with grass and allow it to decay. So let's just fill the hole. So this is the hole. We are going to mash in. Okay guys, this is where we have to clear our grass to go and make our compost manure. So this grass here, this is the grass that I'm going to clear and fill that hole with it. So this is the grass. So I'm going to clear. So this is the grass we are clearing to go and make our compost manure. So it's not easy to be a farmer. Yes guys, we have nearly cleared everywhere. So everywhere is shining. You can see the environment is shining. This is our heap of grass. I don't know if this one will be enough for that hole. I minimized the hole. I thought that hole was a smaller size hole, but the quantity of grass that hole has taken is unbelievable. So this is another pile of grass that we are going to put in that hole. So this is the level we have cleared. So we just have to carry the grass into the hole. Guys, we underestimate the size of this hole, and the hole is taking more grass. You can see at this level we still have to add more grass inside the hole, so the hole is not even up to half. So this is just the beginning. We have to add more grass inside the hole so that the hole can be full. This is our real compost manure that we are doing here. So this is our compost manure that we are doing here. So this one is still the hole is just still half, so we still have more grass to put inside the hole. So I just like you to subscribe, share this video if you like. This one I just want to show you the easiest way for you to make a compost manure at home at any time. So this is the best method. You dig the hole, you fill it with grass, then you allow it to decay, then you can use it for your plantation, your garden, your farm. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe as we continue to feed the hole. You see, it's not easy. See, you still need more grass inside the hole.